Morning, children. So here today grammar. Okay, this chapter we have completed till here. Chapter 13, page number 105. All of you open your books. And here exercise E till D we have completed in school. We have written the notes also, but from here you will have to write notes again. I will be sending you PDF. Here fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the present or the present perfect tense form of verbs given in brackets. She dashed with Mr. Sharma earlier also. She has worked. Bina had called him up yesterday, but he did not call back yet. Call and not call, okay? Words are given in the brackets. Rajat has shifted to a new house but has yet to settle down. Shift. So we have changed it into has shifted. That is present perfect tense. Mother gifted him a black jacket yesterday. The magician showed us some amazing tricks last Sunday. Here I filled all the answers for you. And I will be sending you PDF. I want all the notes complete. Schools will start very soon. સમજતા નહીં કે ઘરે બેસી રહેવાનું છે ઓકે 31st પછી સ્કૂલ સ્ટાર્ટ થશે we'll check your work so copy down everybody huh page 106 now the past perfect continuous tense it is used to indicate an action that occurred before a certain point of time in the past had continued up to that moment and was still in progress at that moment or has recently finished. The tense tells us about the continuity of an action that took longer than some other actions in the past. The players had been playing. Event 1, first thing. For 3 hours when I reached the playground. Second event is when I reached. So it had been raining heavily for hours when the fishermen decided to change plans and return home. The form used for past perfect continuous tense is this you underline had plus been plus ing form of the verb. So when there is ing form of the verb that means you have to use the main form plus ing. For example, here WRITE, right is there. So you will not write WRITEING. This is wrong. You have to remove E. This I have been explaining you in class also. Every now and then, but you make the same mistake in exam and I don't give marks. Cover it? So like this ing form. Yeah. See down. It had been raining heavily for hours when the fishermen decided to change plans and return home. Now here the form is given. The acrobats had been performing for 2 hours before the show got over. And then for negative we write had not been ing form of the verb. The baby had not been sleeping for an hour when the dog barked and woke it up. In interrogative sentence, the first part of the verb is put before the subject. Had the acrobats been performing for 2 hours before the show got over? Now here I have filled for you all the answers. You have to fill yourselves. I will be sending you the PDF. Forms are given here. Now use of since and for. Since and for is generally used with perfect continuous tenses. Since is used to indicate a point of time at which an action started. It also indicates that the action continues till the present moment. He has been swimming since 6 a.m. before he left the club for home. For is used to show the period of time for which an action has been going on. The patients have been waiting for 2 hours. Use of used to. Used to suggests that something often happened in the past but does not happen any longer at present. He used to teach my friend martial art. This indicates that the that he taught martial arts in the past but does not do so now. Used to is never used to express an action in the present tense. Forms of used to. Positive used to plus root form of the verb in all persons. She used to study in my school last year. Negative used not to, never used to. He never used to take his medicines on time. Now did plus subject plus used to plus whatever words and a question mark. This will be your interrogative. Did he used to read the newspaper regularly? Now example, yes he did. Make a list of 5 things you used to do 2 years back. This you can do yourself. Now fill in the blanks with since or for. He has not visited the doctor since Sunday. She has been playing basketball for an hour. He has not slept since last evening. I know them since I was a child. The fire has been burning for 3 hours. Now here also these all answers I filled for you. See, read the following passage and fill in the blanks with appropriate form of verbs in the simple past, past continuous, past perfect or past perfect continuous tense. All have been filled, so you will have to fill all this, okay? Bye children.